$15 thrift haul. Let's go. This is my new friend, Jerry.
Jerry?
Look at his eyes.
Scary.
Jerry's a scary. He's like, take me home.
He's pretty cute. It's like the size of a pet.
Oh, no. Why do they keep getting progressively better? Oh my god, this is actually cute. This is like something I would give someone. Going through this. Ooh! This is like an egg dish. Oh, no way. For jewelry, and this is what you have for your vending.
Can you use it?
13, yeah, I get into jewelry.
You're gonna spend more than your amount today then.
We will see.
That's the full amount.
This is, no, it's, you're right.
Canadian.
We're not going to talk about that. Candle holders. Ooh. This is a handmade corn butter melting thing for corn. It's handmade. What is with the body?
Animals.
What is this? I don't even know. It's like for those French onion soup, but it's a chicken. I enjoy that. I don't know. Someone donated the wrong bag. I've never had this many good pottery things. Handmade fish and another corn thing.
That is another corn thing, yeah.
What is that?
There's two of them.
There's two.
Oh, it's so colorful.
That's pretty cool. This is what fueled my...
Want to account? You want to be an accountant?
No, the clickety-clackety.
Oh, yes.
My mom had an old calculator.
Good.
It's not very good. Let's go to the fabric. Nothing else is here.
Cheap.
Look at this cute
Oh, that's pretty cute.
little newspaper.
Love conquers all.
Oh.
The right size.
But the real winner are these tablecloths. Oh, that's so cute. Except for it's beige. But you could always dye it.
You love saying you could always dye it. And you've never dyed anything.
I have a whole bag of dye things.
I've heard you say that 100 times.
Because I don't have a pot.
Yeah.
But I don't dye things, so it's going back on the shelf.
Not
I'm
right now.
having
Not yet.
self-control. See if the cheap fabric is here again. I'm guessing this will be $4.99. And this will be I've made 2 skirts like this with the frills. I have a pink one and brown. Oh. I said what, $4.99?
You did.
$3.99.
Oh. Winning.
Going in the cart.
I like the color.
I like the color, but it's too thick, so I just don't know what I would make it into. I don't know.
How much?
It has some stains.
Main
And
question.
it's $6.99.
It's not terrible
Like
though.
hamburger pants. Not terrible, but nothing comes to mind.
Hamburger pants. Important little break for the hamburger pants. Then I turn around and this is what we find. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie.
Cute.
I don't know what you would do with it, but it's really cool.
Well, it's like a part of a cape.
Yeah.
Like you mix laces.
Yeah, it's really.
Or you just have it on your table. Like,
It's really cool.
I love that. How much is it? $5.49. Oh, that's adorable. It's like a short cape,
Yes.
but then you add lace to it. That's cute. I'm not supposed to be shopping fabric, but too many good things.
We came here and you just get lost in it.
What is this? A blood-stained fleece.
That's an immediate no for me.
It's
I don't know why.
weird. It looks like blood stains.
I don't like it.
It would be such a cute skirt or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Maybe even a cape.
Yeah.
Tablecloth section is good. I can only imagine what the other stuff is good. I don't mind that. Oh. Now we're getting to the good stuff.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Ooh.
This is a
Detail stuff.
pillow. What about a hat?
Oh, I like it.
Or bag?
Oh, okay. How much?
$1.99.
Done.
A bag.
Done. Throw that in. Don't even second guess that one. Boo-doo-doo-doo.
Perfect enough for a fanny pack.
I like it.
The green.
I like the color.
That would sell immediately.
Green and pink.
Guess how much?
$2, I saw. $1.99. I saw. Sorry.
You ruined my game.
Sorry.
As a lace cape. Oh.
I kind of, yeah. I like the color.
The crochet has been hitting. Whoever's knitting these are like nailing the colors.
Yes.
I feel like I just gotta get this for the...
That's really nice. If you made a top out of it, someone would buy that.
It's just so annoying to sew with crochet.
That's so fair,
though.
but that's so...
Have this.
It's so futuristic though. It's so interesting.
It's like...
having these patterns with flowers.
I know, but I have this exact pattern, but in a better color scheme. It's, I don't know, I don't like that. Gotta make sure you're not missing anything. I mean, look at this towel. I do have towels that I like want to sew with.
So what?
Like a towel jacket. It's like a little bit too fluorescent for me. More fluorescent. Someone donated their entire collection. The time has come to go home. Definitely over my budget, but I'm very excited to show you what I got. So I'm gonna do that right now. Starting off strong with this very delightful tablecloth. I've already made 2 skirts in this exact material, but it's brown. Price was $3.99. Honestly, this is the best upholstery fabric that I've found. I've never found green before. I know it's good when I want to keep it. I would like to try out fanny packs. I have to find a pattern and maybe adapt it or just test it out. But I think that it would be cool as a little fanny pack, one that's like more that shape than like square. Honestly, I'm picturing it with like the strap around and it's just so cute, and that's how I'm like, oh yeah, I would like to have this. It goes with my color palette. Yeah. Oh, I love this one so much. It was only $2. So like, how do you pass up? That's only a toonie. The next one I am so excited for as well. I just love upholstery material. Like honestly, true love in life, along with Saw. It was also $2, which is crazy. It's a pillowcase. Comes with a zipper. So I might just be able to just add a strap unless it looks like too much as a pillowcase. But like I could add some like thick straps and whatever. Like it's pretty dope already. And I couldn't pass up for $2 black felt because I want to start doing like patches on clothing. And this is the perfect material to do so. For $6, this one has a lovely double lace and wow, it flows so nice. I think I'll just like keep it simple and just like sew it down and it's good.
It's like an elegant nightgown.
It is. I can just wear lace and it already becomes the thing. For another $5.50, this magnificent lace. I haven't seen a lace this pretty in a long time. Wow. I don't know if it's like cape material though.
Why?
I guess it's just like...
It's a super cool shape. Like what it's doing on your back right now, it's super unique. I actually really like the shape of it as a cape.
I just can't make it with a hood unless I add another piece of lace. Doesn't need a hood.
No,
yeah, that's true. I can just make that the collar.
Yeah.
At the very end, I just had to go through the scarves because when I do markets, I have this $10 chest that, oh, there's nothing in there. I put clothes in, and when people first came up, they were like, oh, are these scarves? and I had to be like, no, they're just clothes. And so now there's going to be scarves in there because people love textures. People got so excited for scarves. So I'm like, I have to have them this time. Seeing them in here is actually very rewarding and it feels like a good idea. I know I said a $15 thrift haul, and I really tried, actually no, that's a lie. I did not try at all to stick to $15 because right off the bat, I found this magnificent necklace jewelry holder. And guess how much it was? And it was basically my whole budget. So here I am bringing it home like a magnificent whimsical trophy. My total of my actual thrift haul is, drum roll please, $71.79. Only $63-ish over my original budget. But you know what? I saved a lot of money with all those $2 items, and the scarves were totally unplanned, and as well as this jewelry holder. So I'm gonna call it as I see it, and that's a win.